Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through how to play Vita Mahjong app step by step. When you open the app, you will see different boards filled with Mahjong tiles. The goal is simple, match pair of identical tiles to clear the board. So here's how to get started. Simply tap on a label right here and a new game will start right here. As you can see, there are different pictures on each tile of the Mahjong board. Simply select two of the same tiles and they will combine and you can play like this. Now you have to do this step until the whole board is clear, and if you get stuck, the game usually gives you hints or shuffle option to help. As you move through levels, pattern get thicker, so focus on unlocking tiles from top and the outer edges first. And that's it guys, you are ready to play and enjoy the Vita Mahjong app like a pro. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner friendly guides, and let me know in the comment section what your favorite board design is, and see you in the next video. You can simply do like this, you can choose any board. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like. Thank you for watching.